Let's review how to install your CleanTech 2000S or 4000S hand washing station. Installation is very simple. You'll need the following tools: channel locks and supplied water lines, one 2.5 gallon container of the Meritech Ultra Pure Hand Hygiene Solution, and 1 gallon bottle of the Meritech Self Clean Solution Hand Wash Instruction Sign. Now, let's get started by connecting the water and drain lines to the system. Connect the supplied hoses to the hot and cold ports on the system. Take care not to cross-thread and damage the nylon ports. The system is marked hot and cold accordingly. Connect the hot and cold water hoses to the facility ball valve. Connect the drain boot to the drain tube on the back of the hand washing station. We are now ready to power on the station. Once you plug it in, your station will automatically initiate a self-clean cycle. This self-clean feature is unique to our CleanTech 2000S and 4000S systems and will run every time you power on the station and every 8 hours following. For the initial startup of your station, it is not necessary to have solution in the system.